Stop wasting hours copying and pasting multiple sheets. In this video, I'll show you the fastest and smartest way to consolidate all your data into one powerful table automatically, no formulas needed. Okay, let's dive in. If you're working with multiple worksheets or large datasets, Power Query becomes your most powerful tool in Excel. Start by converting each dataset into an Excel table. Select the entire range including headers. Press Ctrl+T and confirm that my table as headers is checked. Hit OK. Next, assign each table a clear, unique name from the Table Design tab. Repeat this process for every sheet you want to consolidate. This step is critical. Power Query relies on structured tables. Without them, combining data becomes slow, messy, and inefficient. Next, we'll load each table into Power Query. Click anywhere inside your table. Then go to the Data tab. Under Get and Transform Data, select from Table Range. Excel will instantly open the Power Query editor. Once you're inside the editor, click the Close and Load drop-down and choose Close and Load to. Select only Create Connection, then click OK. This tells Excel to store the table as a reusable data source without loading it into the worksheet. Repeat these exact steps for every sheet you want to consolidate. Now comes the real magic of Power Query. Inside the Power Query editor, go to the Home tab and select Append Queries, then choose Append Queries as New. Set the option to 3 or more tables. Add all the tables you want to combine. And click OK. Before loading the data, you can apply filters right here, removing unnecessary rows and keeping only what matters. This gives you complete control over the final dataset. Finally, click Close and Load. And just like that, all your data is merged into one clean, consolidated table. The best part? This table updates automatically. Every time you add new data, just hit refresh, and everything updates instantly. No formulas to fix, no manual work. Once your data is connected, you can start turning it into insights. Begin by creating a pivot table. Go to the Insert tab and click Pivot Table. Choose New Worksheet, then click OK. In the Pivot Table Fields pane, drag customer name into the rows area and total sales into values to instantly summarize your data. To make your analysis more interactive, add slicers. Go back to the Insert tab and click Slicer. Select the field you want to filter, such as Product, and click OK. Now you can filter your results with a single click, making your reports faster, cleaner, and more dynamic. Multiple sheets don't have to mean multiple problems. With formulas, Power Query, and smart connections, Excel becomes fast, accurate, and powerful. If this video helped you, hit the like, share it, and subscribe to Easy Click Learning. See you in the next one.